from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The International Monetary Fund urged Asian central banks to focus on domestic inflation and avoid tying their policy decisions too closely to anticipated moves by the US Federal Reserve. Receding expectations for a near-term interest cut by the US Central Bank have fed steady dollar gains that have pushed down some Asian currencies. Russia remained China's top oil supplier in March as refiners snapped up stranded Sokol shipments. China's imports from Russia, including supplies via pipelines and seaborne shipments, jumped 12.5% on the year to 10.81 million metric tons, or 2.55 million barrels per day last month. Gold prices rose and logged a fifth consecutive weekly rise as fears of further tit-for-tat retaliation between Iran and Israel triggered safe haven demand.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT, Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT, the Dutch Consumer Confidence Adge at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.